Gilbert House fans. Welcome to the dance tutorial for the New Year's Eve Flash Mob Dance Party. It's Teacher Valerie coming to you live from the Gilbert House, ready to break down the 3 movement sequences that we do that make up the whole Flash Mob dance. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so the first movement sequence I'm going to do from the front, then I'm going to show it to you from the back. Here it is, coming to you from the front, broken down very simply. We're going to start to, I'm going to my right side. You can go to your left side. I don't care which side you go to. Let's just rock this out. We go. Side, side. Now the other side. The other side. Look back and point. Drop, point, nod. Roll your shoulders. You walk forward. Now go low. Now go middle. Now go high. Up. High, go backwards, front don't go, back don't go, and to here. So here I am. I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to show it to you backwards a little slower. Okay, you ready for this? Remember, I don't care which side you start from. We're just going to rock it out side to side. Here we go. We go. Side, side, other side, side, back, point, front, nod, roll your shoulder as you walk forward. You go low, you go middle, you go high, you go high. You rock back and front, change your mind back, and here you are. How you doing? Are you getting that? So we're going to move on. Remember, you can go back and review this video as many times as you want. So don't get stressed out. Here comes the second movement sequence. Are you ready? It's the chorus, probably the most important part of the song, but it's really, really got to be big, and that's up to you. It's easy. The bigger you do it, the better. Remember that the song is, have I told you what the song is yet? I'm not going to tell you yet. So here it is. You go. Jump and reach one arm. Yeah. Repeat that. Jump and reach 1, 2 arms. Yeah. Third time. Jump and reach big arms. Circle them around. Hug, wrap, wrap, wrap. Yeah. You are doing great. I know it. Here comes that third and final movement sequence, and it's very short, so don't panic. Here we go. Ready? You start with a march. March.